So, good evening, good evening. We are back again. We're going to talk about Asna and the lack of signings. Still, no signings, guys. No, here we goes. Nothing is happening. Calafiori was supposed to be done and dusted, signed, sealed, delivered, guys. And that was supposed to be all wrapped up 48 hours ago. Oh, yeah, over a week ago. Proof again, these ITKs chat rubbish. Proof again, these journos chat rubbish. Proof again that Edu and Arteta can't close the door. In fact, we'll leave Arteta out of it. He's not the negotiation team. But the powers that be at Arsenal are quite clearly clueless. But anyway, do smash the like button up. That'd be great. I have dropped a video about Southgate on the other channel as well. Only uploads today. I'm knackered. It's 1:45 in the morning. I'm going to bed after I've recorded this and put this out. I will be back again tomorrow. Lives will be back again. But I needed sleep today, and I'm going to need sleep tonight. I will be on the second channel, the Reacts channel. Make sure you sub to that. Closing in on 30,000 subs on there. Happy days. But I will be on there because Mbappe's presentation is tomorrow at 11 a.m. UK time. So yeah, I'll be doing a watch along to that. We'll be seeing the Mbappe presentation. Special guest apparently. I'm not sure who that is, but I'd imagine it's probably CR7 or Zidane, seeing as Zidane played for France and Real Madrid. Mbappe plays for France and Real Madrid, and Cristiano is his idol, apparently. So, yeah, it's going to be interesting. It's going to be interesting to see what happens. 80,000 sellout. Although I do think the tickets were free. I think it was just a first come, first serve. Normally they sell them, but this year, for whatever reason, I think they've done it for free. And it was just a case of like first come, first serve on the website. So there we go. It is what it is. But yeah, looking forward to that. I'm then back on here tomorrow with Rants, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And it's actually going to be nice to get some kind of sleep pattern back that is not when the sun's coming up. I think I got in bed at about 10:30 this morning. Ridiculous. That Copper America has done me in, trust me. Bless up Saeed as well, by the way, because I was snoring. I have missed that whole show. I've missed everything all day. I woke up about 6 o'clock this evening. So yeah, it is what it is. But I needed that sleep, and I'm going to need another 10 hours tonight, or 9 hours or so tonight. So yeah, bless up to all you lot that have tuned in for the streams along the way all through the summer so far. But it's actually nice that I can get back into some normal pattern that is a daytime pattern, that I can actually sleep at nighttime, rather than sitting up waiting for a 3 o'clock kickoff for Bolivia versus flipping, I don't know, Paraguay. Anyway, I do appreciate it. Do smash the likes up, sub to the channel. Over 100K, literally 15 away from 100,000. Sorry, yeah, 100,100. 15 away. So big up to everybody. But yeah, we're still no closer to signing Calafiori. No news on that. Absolutely none. It's getting kind of jarring, I can't lie, because our pre-season starts in 8 days, guys. 8 days. I've just Googled Calafiori's name. Bologna reject swap deal offer. Oh dear. What are we doing here? Reports in Italy claim Bologna want Basel to lower their sell-on clause for Riccardo Calafiori, but they won't let him go for less than 50 million. We've tried to put Jacob Kivior in the deal, and they've said no to that as well. This is going to end up being a hijack. I can see this. Juventus are going to come and steal this guy away, aren't they? Obviously, Basel have a 50% clause, so whatever they sell him for, Bologna, Basel get 50%. But for me, this is just dragging on and on and on. Yeah, if you want the player that badly, just pay the flipping money, mate. Do you know what I'm saying? It's jarring. And I'm seeing this linked to all sorts of players. Do you know what I'm saying? We're linked to a new player, excuse me, every single day. Yeah, and every single day we don't sign any of them. So what are we actually doing here? Yeah, we've got Victor Gyökeres linked again today. Nico Williams again linked today. Like, what are we doing, man? It's pathetic. These are so easy clicks for these. They're not even journalists, are they? Let's just be real with it. Like, it's pathetic. I mean, look at the way they've look at the way Football.London have clickbaited this. Nico Williams signs what? So then you click on it, You scroll down, Nico Williams signs. Spain international has become a worldwide name with his performance at Euro 2024. But many will know that Arsenal have been tracking him for some time. Okay. Reported 50 million release clause at Bilbao, which is a steal for a player of his quality. For many, the Gunners' continued lack of quality off the right wing, and Saka was unavailable, is one of the big reasons they've often struggled to get the wins needed at times last season. So what's he signed then? See what I'm saying? Nico Williams signs. What's he signed? These man chat rubbish, guys. Don't listen to these people. And this is why I'm here to tell you right now. Stop listening to these articles. Yeah, 8 players are apparently going to be sold. Okay, mate. So Nuno Tavares is gone. We've got Sambi Lokonga out on loan with an option to buy. Smith Rowe's linked to Palace and Fulham. Reece Nelson, Eddie Nketiah. Good luck rid of them, mate. And then Jack Boff, Kibior, Thomas Partey and Aaron Ramsdale. Well, Thomas Partey we're going to get next to nothing for because he's only got a year left on his contract. So we're going to get peanuts for him. Kivior, what a waste of money that was, by the way. Another Edu masterclass. Cheers, guys. Drink it in. Wasting the club's money every year. Well done, Edu. Like I said the other day, Edu hasn't actually signed a single player since August last year when we signed David Raya. Yes, the deal was eventually gone through this year as a full deal, not a loan, but that was already terms and conditions sorted last year. And that was in the contract that if we want to activate it, just pick up the phone and just say, yeah, we'll activate that, mate. That's it. That deal was done last August. What has he done all the way around 11 months later? Yeah, and it's jarring. Yeah, because we finished twice. We finished that far behind twice from Man City. And if we actually went a bit more proactive this summer, we could genuinely bridge the gap. But it looks like we're faffing around. And then what happened is Man City, who have also signed nobody, by the way. But the difference is with Man City is, number one, they're respected at board level around the world. Yeah, and number two, if they want a player, the chances are they're going to get them unless they have a set amount of money that they want to spend on that player, and the club say, "No, we want more." And they'll just go, "See you then. We're going to buy someone else." Whereas with Arsenal, we try and haggle. Yeah, it's like it's boring, man. Yeah, and it's not just under Edu we've been doing this. This was before as well. It's always been the way with Arsenal, but especially with Edu now. We're ripping up contracts left, right, and centre. We're letting players leave the club for free. Yeah, we're letting players run their contracts down to the last year of their contract. Then we get peanuts from them. We're loaning players out with an option, not an obligation. Yeah, then we're loaning another one out that was rubbish, but we've got our money back next year when we get the 9 million in for Tavares. Yeah, but don't worry about the 4.5 million quid that we've given him in wages in 3 years and barely played football for Arsenal, by the way. Oh, however, he did cock up and set up Yora at Anfield. Well done, mate. Well done. 4.5 million quid we paid him in wages. But don't worry, we're getting the fee back that we paid for him. So it's all good. That's a great masterstroke from Edu, apparently. Come on, man. Yeah, we were that close to 2 titles. Yeah, this football club has had a whole year since Edu signed, 11 months since Edu signed his last player. What have we actually been doing? Surely you would think that this football club has a plan. They have a plan, a clear plan. Well, what's the clear plan then? Spend 3 or 4 weeks on a player. 3 weeks it is since the Kivior got knocked out of that tournament. 3 weeks. Kivior. See, I'm tired. You can tell I'm tired. I'm tired of this club. That's what I am. I'm tired of this club, and I'm just tired in general. Since Calafiori got knocked out of the tournament, 3 weeks later, I've just seen today, Alvaro Morata has signed for AC Milan. Just like that. Literally just like that. So why is it taking us so long? Oh, sorry, my bad. Because you mean they paid the money. It's almost like if you pay the money, you get the player, isn't it? It's not rocket science. I mean, even a 5-year-old could figure this one out. Yeah, and every single year it's us that are stumbling and mumbling and bumbling along. Yeah, and every single year, yeah, we hype up every player that we bring in as a fan base, and then every single year we don't win anything. And come on, man, when is this going to end? When is this going to change? You'd think that after missing out on a title a second time, that they'd be attacking the market, and we'd already have 2 or 3 players in. Like, oh, but the Euros, well, that didn't stop anyone else signing players. There's players in the Euros. Lionel Mand signed for Atleti whilst playing in the Euros. Done the deal. From Sociedad to Atleti, 30 million euro, whilst playing in the Euros, which he then went on to win, by the way. 30 million euros. That's a good defender right there, by the way, and that's a good price. That is a proper throwback defender, an old school centre back. Yeah, maybe somebody we should have looked at. I don't know. They obviously want somebody that's a bit better on the ball. Yeah, if they are going after Calafiori. If they are going after Calafiori, why are we haggling over 10 million quid? They want 50 plus 5, and we want to pay 40 plus 5. Going well, or 45 plus 5, and they want 50 plus, whatever. Either way, it's boring. You're boring, mate. You're boring. And it's every year, and it's getting jarring now, because it's like, if we actually went out there and did what's required, we could actually go and win stuff. And the problem is, we've got an extra couple of games, albeit is only an extra couple of games in the Champions League now. But I want us to actually take these cups seriously this season. And are we actually going to take them seriously? Because the track record of Super Duper Mick, yeah, is he throws them in the bin since he's won one. It's all about going for the Holy Grail, yeah, the Premier League, which is all well and good. Trying to go for the Prem, of course, we all want to see us win the league. These ballers did it. It's been 20 years since we've done that. I want to see us win the league. However, go for the league and go for the cups. And at some point, you're going to stumble across one of them, aren't you? Instead, we go, we don't want that Tin Pot Cup, mate. Yeah, no, that's the Carabao Cup, the energy drink cup. We don't want that. Since when have Arsenal fans had this arrogance? Like, oh, yeah, we'll bin that cup. Oh, don't worry about the FA Cup. Don't worry about that, mate. Nah, we've won that. We've won that enough times already. Don't worry. We've won that enough, mate. We've got the record on that. 14, mate. Don't worry about it. Yeah. Let me just tell you right now, Man United are one behind that, by the way. They got 13 now. And then we go all out for the league and then fall short again. Then it's round we go. We keep going and going and going. And this is becoming boring. When is it acceptable to call this out? This is his 5th full season coming up now. And whilst he's not in charge of the negotiations for players, yeah, and I'm sure he's frustrated at times as well with what this lot are doing. But at the same time, yeah, some of his decisions last season and the season before, tactically, subs-wise, etc., leave a lot to be desired. The fact we've still not got a proper striker. Yeah, I don't give a shit how fucking many goals Kai Havertz said his name. How many goals 29 scored last season? He's not going to get us over the line as the main striker. It's not happening. We need a killer up front. Ivan Toney, go and get him. 40 mil, job done. Go and get him. Not rocket science. Not rocket science. We still have not got a Saka backup. Why? We've signed one right winger since this manager's been the manager, and he's back in Brazil on loan, Marquinhos. What are we doing here? We've signed 0 strikers because 29 ain't a striker, and leave us Gabby Jesus. What are we doing here? We need a striker. We need a right winger. We need another number 10 because Fabio Vieira is trash. So we need another number 10 for Odegaard's backup or to fight for his place. And we need another midfielder, like a number 6. And then you can put Rice at the 8. Yeah, and we need another defender. Oh, and the goalkeeper, because, I mean, Emi Martinez has just won another trophy, by the way. Just saying. He walks into this football club and had Emi Martinez and Bernd Leno. Not that I rate Leno, but either way, he's been better than some of the goalkeepers we've signed since he's left the football club. And now we're looking to sign a guy from Ajax, some under 18 England international or under 20 England international or whatever, for £1 million. Club's baffling, mate. Honestly, it is absolutely baffling. Meanwhile, I'm sitting here watching all these other clubs sign players, seeing Bayern Munich saying, no, we're getting our title back. I'm seeing Real Madrid sign Mbappe. Like, it's going to be a long season, guys. Buckle up, because this could go very, very wonky real quick. It could go south real quick. And if it does go south, yeah, trust me, and there's going to be an awful lot of upset gooners. Top gooners are going to start turning. So they better fix up in this next month because, 1 month and 1 day, we play Wolves in the league. And we've still got a lot of work to do here, guys. We've still got to get rid of all the dead wood. We've still got to get players in. And our pre-season starts in a week. Just over a week, 8 days. It's It's embarrassing. Honestly, it's embarrassing. I ain't having this excuse about Euros and Copa America and all this crap. I ain't having it. Other clubs have done business whilst there's been a Euros and a Copa America on. And even if we can't sign the players that we want because they're at the Euros or whatever and all that rubbish, cool. How does that stop us getting rid of all the players that are dead wood at our football club? Not this lot, they're ballers. Yeah, but the dead wood at our football club that did not go to the Euros or the Copa America. Eddie Nketiah, Reece Nelson, Kivior, etc., etc. Well, Kivior did go, but he's home anyway. Anyway, let me know your thoughts on all of that. Don't forget to smash a like. Make sure you sub to Lee Reacts. Mbappe presentation. Watch along there tomorrow. Obviously, because I am a fully fledged Madrista member now, I can watch that on Real Madrid Play, Real Madrid TV, bruv. So I can watch that there. I'm not sure whether it's being aired live around the world on any other channels, but I'm looking forward to that. It might even be on DAZN, actually. Let me see if it's on DAZN. Let's have a little quick look while you lot are smashing these likes up. Let's have a look now. Schedule. Yep, it's on DAZN. Gosh. DAZN España, guys. Mbappe they're calling it the K Day. The K Day. Gosh. I will be there, guys. 11:30 my time, 10:30 UK time. We will be there. In fact, yeah, that says 11:30. Maybe I should set my stream up a little bit earlier. But anyway, I'm waffling. I'm going to bed. Love to you all. Leave your comments down below. And make sure you tune in for Lee Reacts. Links in description. Sub to that channel, guys. In fact, I'll put it in the title. Lee Reacts. Just click it. Go and sub to it. Love, we're out. Arteta out. Edu out. They better fix up.